Hi guys, our latest will be about Kuli Roberts. Sadly today we learned about her untimely passing. Messages of condolences have been pouring in. Let's follow up on that. Just last night, as you see, 16 hours ago, she went to Twitter and this is what she tweeted. In one tweet she said, "Off we go," and in another tweet she said, "Love you, there's all the best." She also posted some of her pictures last night wearing a black attire, more like she was saying goodbye to us. And this left people wondering if she might have known that her end has come. They always say people know when they are about to go, but we'll never know, I guess, until such time come for all of us. There are also speculation about her cause of death. Some people are saying she had cancer and chose to keep it private. Here are some of the comments. This is one of the comments that was made in one of the channels. Someone said, someone had told me that she had cancer a few months ago and I dismissed it. I'm not saying that's what she succumbed to, just saying, may she rest in peace. I always loved her spirit. May her ancestors be proud. And this was on Twitter. This person said, sadly, it looks like she battled with cancer, but I could be wrong about it. But it was a choice to keep it private and not disclose it. Not sure how true these speculations are and whether this could have been the cause of her death if indeed she had cancer. All we know is that she was a strong woman who stood and spoke her truth no matter what. We send our heartfelt condolences to Kuli's family and friends, specifically her husband and kids. And that will be all from my side. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again next time. Bye.